Good Monday! That's right, we're making a tempeh Whopper today. I wish it were wider, but it's not. So it may not fit the whole bun. Idea is we're going to make a nice little square here. Maybe a little longer, so at least it fits one way. The idea is we're going to try and cut this down to about 1/4 inch. This looks like 1/2 inch. We're going to try and make it just a little bit thinner to be like a Whopper. We'll make it just a little bit longer so it'll fit the bun. Height. And you really wrap it good. Oh, tempeh Whopper. Can we cut this down? Can we thin it out? Let's see if I can cut this in half. We want it to be thin. Oh. We just want the texture. It doesn't have to be perfect. Ha-ha! That'll work. If these fall apart, it's still okay. We just want them for the texture. And I think this is the one we're going to use. Hey, tempeh Whopper. We're just going to use a little bit of Baby Ray's. Just a tiny bit. Hey! Use our hands. Just a little bit. We don't want to overwhelm this. And we'll be spraying on just a tiny bit of liquid smoke before we put the cheese on. Just a tiny bit of oil. Oh, we're ready. Tempeh Whopper. Tempeh Whopper. On the tripod, off the tripod, on the tripod. We have to wait till the blood comes through and then we know it's ready to turn. I'm just kidding. There's no blood in this recipe. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh, it's already getting toasty. Let's flip it. That was quick. Look at that. Colgan mesquite liquid smoke. Whoa. Put the cheese on it once it's in the bun. And here you go. It's perfect. Now the cheese. This is very important. The order is very important if you're making a Whopper. Mayo on the top bun. Okay, take your lettuce and just let it fall on the bun. 2 slices of tomato. We're going to go 3 pickles. Now the ketchup. Three onion rings. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful! How freaking easy was that? Go around. Oh hey, oh hey. Oh hey, hey. And our Whopper. That's it, our tempeh Whopper. Oh, tempeh Whopper. All right, let's do it. It's good that we chose the thin piece because it is nutty. Adds that little texture that we need. I've said this before. The salad is a really big part of a Whopper. The order of the salad is really important. Those 2 slices of tomato, the mayo, and then the ketchup over the pickles. This is delicious. This is very tasty. Let's just do one more bite. Hey! Thanks for joining me this Monday for our tempeh Whopper. I would much rather use tempeh than the Impossible Whopper or the Impossible meat. It's just simpler. Simpler ingredients. Oh. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Making a mess. Thanks for watching.